What's good, YouTube? You already know it's your boy Famous.Quan2, and we back with another one. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to edit your videos on for an iPhone. So the apps that I use is iMovie and Vlogstar, and also Thumbnail if I want to make a thumbnail for my videos and stuff for YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you how to do an edit on iMovie. So I'm going to click iMovie, and as you can see, all my videos are right there. It's basically a beginner's use. So yeah, all my videos right there. So I'm going to be clicking the plus button, the plus sign right there, and I'm going to click movie. I'm going to click movie. And you know, I'm just gonna pick something like a few videos, like just random videos, just to show y'all how it's done. Yeah. So I picked my intro, a video that I did reaction on, and my outro, my end screen. My other intro and like a end screen. So yeah, so I'm finna put my intro all the way at the front, like how I start the video off and stuff. I'm gonna put that all the way at the front. Yeah, see, so it's at the front, and that's my intro. How I make my end screen, like my intros and stuff. But I'll probably do a tutorial on that too. So yeah. Uh. What's good, YouTube? You already know it's your boy Famous.Quan2 with a 2. Yeah, look, they're gonna that's the prop that I use for my old video, for my latest. So this video is gonna be up there. The link right there is gonna be up there. So like, yeah, you can change the volume from up to down. So I forgot to tell y'all that. Y'all can also change the video, like the video volume from up to down and stuff. And like in between, right there, you can see that's like the transitions. But iPhones only got like a limited transitions. You can probably get more on an Apple, like on a MacBook or something like that. But for iPhones, that's just really the only ones that they got with that I have. But finna show y'all like what else y'all do, like how to get how to add music on there. If you don't have any music for your phone, you can screen record music and like press the three dots and hit that hit audio only. I know I'm a little late with this, but yeah. So I'm finna show y'all how it sound. But you can also turn it down to kind of mask in with your voice too. Hey YouTube, you already know it's your boy Famous.Quan2 with a 2. Yeah, look, they're gonna that's the But yeah, you see what you can also do is like you can cut, like you can kind of cut and make other transition slides too. When you want to, you can cut wherever you want to, however you want to. But I'm taking this cut, like transitions. I don't think he cares. Oh, he left! No! Next See? But yeah. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will solve them for you the best I can. Cause this is my first time doing a video on this, so yeah. But I'm also gonna show you like how you can put like pictures inside your videos, like how I did with my reaction cam. So I'm gonna show you that also. So like you just tap the picture, and you put picture in picture, and you see it's added on there. But I'm not finna keep that on there. I'm finna delete it because I don't want it to overwrite any of my other videos. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, that's been a reaction video from Expert Thief. You already know what I'm saying. The link will be down there in the description. So like, comment, subscribe, share this post, turn on post notifications, do all that. Cause you already know. Oh yeah, and also if y'all want, I can show y'all how to get the end screen on there too. Like the end screen, so it can like pop up a link and another video, like a link to your channel and a link to your videos too. But yeah, this has been another episode of Famous.Quan 2. You already know. Like, comment, subscribe, ask for more questions if you want, and you already know. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace. Hey, you that's on the other side of the screen, bruh, click the video or click on my logo and subscribe. That's all you gotta do.